disconnect the battery. So get to the battery in the back, just use a 10mm socket, remove the negative cable, loosen it up, just slide it off and out of the way. Make sure it doesn't arc out on there. I'm going to take this cover off. I want to take these 4 screws out. I'm going to use a T30 socket. Grab the cover, slide it off, and take these 2 screws out. Use a T30. And these 2, same T30. And just grab right here and just slide it out. You can grab this intake duct right here. Just try to pull it off. Just get that out of the way. The sensors are right here, or the valve solenoids that we're going to be replacing. I'm going to replace both of them. To disconnect the connector, just push down right here and then just slide it off, just like that. Now I'm going to take the bracket off that's holding the valve in. I'm going to use a 10mm socket. Remove the bolt. And just grab the valve and just slide it out. And there it is. Check the old sensor, make sure the O-ring is on it. If it's not, it's still in here. So just grab that O-ring and slide it out. And just wipe this area with a rag. Don't get any dirt in there. It's always a good idea to take your new sensor and rub some oil on it, just so it goes in smooth. And just line it up. Don't force it in. Nice and smooth. And just make sure that bracket is all the way down. Take the bolt and get that started. And then we can torque that bolt to 80 inch-pounds. That's good. And you can plug the connector back in. Make sure you plug in the correct one. Now do the same procedure for the other one. Just take a little brake parts cleaner, clean up some of the excess, wipe it away. When you're doing this job, it's always a good idea to change the oil after you're done. And take this air intake and just slide it in position. Just like that. Reattach it over here on the airbox. That's good. And line those screws up. Get these all started and then you can snug them down. And slide this in position. Put these screws in. And tighten those up. Now we're going to reconnect the negative battery cable. And tighten up the nut. Just make sure you wiggle it, make sure it's tight. That's good.